I'm Steve Lester of Ngai Tahu Tourism. We're an operator of multiple tourism experience businesses across Aotearoa, pitching our experiences both to consumers who come to New Zealand on holiday or live in New Zealand, but also we have significant trade business with travel sellers throughout the world. And so Showcase for us is a great platform for us to present high definition video, high definition imagery in an emotional way, the experiences we've got. One of our big challenges is how do we get the emotion for travel sellers who aren't in New Zealand, get the emotion of our experiences across and then enable them to get that emotion onto their clients. So we use Showcase to give us the ability to control the presentation content, the use of our assets, and we use it in multiple languages. It's easier for us to apply control and updates, and also it means that you can put it onto multiple device types very easily, controlling the narrative, controlling the update of new imagery, new video assets. So we use tablets, we use laptops, we also use projection in in-house large screen format, and all of those it's very easy because this is our web-enabled software as a service they can then use for different purposes.